Hi friends, today I am with the Pixel 4a and Galaxy M51. We are going to do a gaming test and also see what is the temperature rise after playing for few minutes. Talking about the few key differences, the display Pixel is giving you 5.81 inch Full HD display with OLED screen and HDR support with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Coming to Samsung Galaxy M51, it comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display. It is one of the best display in the market. It comes with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with the 7000 mAh battery, whereas Pixel comes with the 3140 mAh battery. Pixel has 18-watt fast charger in the box, whereas Samsung comes with the 25-watt charger in the box. Why we are comparing both the smartphones? Because both are running on Snapdragon 730G. If you check the benchmark score, the Geek benchmark score, definitely Samsung is leading. Also, if you go to the 3D Mark benchmark score, there also Samsung is leading. Samsung is also giving you a separate gaming mode where you can configure, you can check the data of the game, how much data is being consumed, and also the stats for the game also, which is definitely not present in Pixel. One thing where the Pixel ahead, it comes with the Android 11, whereas Samsung Galaxy M51 is running on Android 10. So this is just only one drawback. If we talk about the battery, definitely Samsung is leading far ahead with 7000 mAh battery, whereas if we talk about the Pixel, it is running on 3140 mAh battery. If we also talk about the charger, the inbuilt charger for Pixel 4a is 18 watt, whereas for Samsung Galaxy M51 it is 25 watt charger in the box. So this is also a big difference for the device. If we talk about the temperature, here you can see both are coming around 35 degrees Celsius before starting playing the game, and in the back also there is not much in the temperature thing. So I'm just showing you the reading before starting the game. I will also show you the battery percentage before starting. If you check the battery percentage for Pixel, it is around 98%, and for Galaxy M51 it is around 99%. Now we will see the gaming experience on both the devices, on also see the temperature rise and battery drop for the same.
Travel to indicated safe zone. Find the hacker nearby, now. System hacked.
The airdrop is coming.
Incoming.
Using adrenaline shot now.
Half of the teams are eliminated. Down to the last 5 teams. I'm down. Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Capture the objectives. UAV online. Targets in enemy taking Alpha. Capture Bravo. Capture Capture Counter UAV up. Line. Capture C. Captured A. Losing C. Lost the lead. Friendly Hunter Killer drone deployed. Capture B. Hunter Killer drone deployed. We lost Charlie. It's too close. Fight him. Hostile rebels. Friendly shock RC is ready. Capture C. We've taken the lead. Sentry gun deployed. Friendly shock RC is coming. Be advised. Hostile hunter killer drone inbound. Losing Bravo. Friendly shock RC has been destroyed. Enemy shock RC is coming. UAV online. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed. Losing B. UAV online. Be advised. Hostile hunter drone spotted. Lost B. Capture B. Capture Bravo. UAV online. Counter UAV attack reported. Hunter killer drone deployed. Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed. Losing Bravo. Enemy inside. I got shot. Capture. Be advised. Hostile care package inbound. We lost Bravo. Capture Bravo. Hostile sentry gun area. Be advised. Hostile predator missile inbound. Capture B. I'm down. Hostile hunter killer drone inbound. Back up. Losing Alpha. We
Targets
captured
inside.
Bravo.
I got shot.
We lost A. UAV online. A dominated. Take those positions. Capturing C. Be advised. Hostile sentry gun spotted. Friendly shock RC is ready. Capture B. Capture Charlie. Ready to jam any UAV. SAM turret ready for deployment. UAV online. Counter UAV up. Tide full. Friendly shock
So after playing for a few minutes, you can definitely see there's a little bit lag in pixel while playing, whereas Samsung stands very still and it gives you a very smooth experience while playing the game. So this is all about the playing. If we talk about the battery drop, definitely Samsung gives you a bigger battery, so don't compare that the battery drop of Samsung is less and Pixel is more, because Pixel is giving you half a battery what Samsung is providing you. So there will be a little bit difference. Also, you can check the temperature for both the devices after playing the game for few minutes. This is all about the Samsung Galaxy M51 versus Pixel 4a. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.